Welcome to Deep Inspiration PK, where we dive deep into life-changing ideas and motivational wisdom. Today, we're talking about 8 lessons people learn too late in life. First, many people realize too late that time is precious. We often take it for granted, but it's important to spend our time on things that truly matter to us. Second, health is wealth. Many learn this lesson after facing health issues. It's crucial to take care of our bodies and minds while we still can. Third, relationships matter. Building and nurturing connections with family and friends can lead to a happier life. We often realize their importance only when it's too late. Fourth, regret is a heavy burden. It's important to forgive ourselves and learn from our mistakes instead of letting them weigh us down. Fifth, fear of failure can hold you back. Many don't take risks because they fear failing, but failure is often a stepping stone to success. Sixth, being authentic is key. Trying to fit into someone else's mold can lead to unhappiness. Embracing who you truly are is vital. Seventh, continuous learning is vital. Life is a journey of growth, and staying curious keeps our minds active and engaged. Finally, kindness is powerful. Small acts of kindness can have a huge impact on others and ourselves. Thank you for watching. If this message resonated with you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more inspirational content.